Alright everybody, welcome back again. Enoch here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make changes to our ministries page. Okay, over here we have three ministries, okay, youth, women and children. Now in case you probably want to add another ministry to this page, I'm going to take you through the steps. All right, so the first thing that you do is, as usual, log in. Make sure you're logged in as admin and all of that. That's just the status. Then from there we'll look at how we can create the ministry pages. So the first thing that we're going to do is to go into our dashboard. You can get into your dashboard by going to this icon right here and clicking dashboard. So I'll go ahead and click that, and that brings us here, right? This is our dashboard. Okay, this is my dashboard. It's empty. Yours may be different, but this is mine. All right, so when we come here, we're just going to go to pages right here. Then we go to pages. This is what comes up. All right, we have all these pages here. Now when you come down here, you see ministries. Under ministries, you realize that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 4 pages under ministries. Okay, so each of this is a different ministry, as you know: men's ministry, youth, women and children. Now open any of these ministries, any one of them. I'm going to go ahead and open children's ministry in a different tab. Okay, so you can right click, open a new tab. All right, so after that we'll just create a new page, add new page. Okay, it's too slow. Come on. All right, so add new page. All right, we are going to, let's say we want to add a sports ministry. Okay, like I said, we are trying to add a new ministry to these ministries over here. So first of all, you go to the dashboard, you go to pages, then you add a new page. All right, so let's say sports ministry. All right, that's a new ministry that we are going to create. Now when you come down here, you see parents. Just click that and go down and look for ministries, so that this new page that we are creating will be under the main ministries page. Okay, then click here and click full width, this Elementor full width. All right, then publish. Okay, just click here, edit with Elementor. All right, so then let's go back to the the children's page that we opened. Any of the other ones that maybe you opened a different ministry page. I said I was going to go with the children's ministry. So right here, this is the children's ministry page right here. Now what we are going to do is to avoid too much work, we are just going to copy the structure of this page and paste it in the new page that we are creating, which is the sports ministry. All right, so to do that we need to be in editor mode. So we are going to go to edit with Elementor right here. All right, so edit with Elementor, and that is going to open our children's ministry page in the Elementor editor tab. Then we can go ahead and copy the structure of that page to our new page. Then we wouldn't have to do so much work. All right, so here we are. So let's go back to our sports ministry page. This is it. Also right now it's empty, so we are just going to go back to our children's ministry page, come copy each section. You see this, just right click this thing right here and click copy, then come here and paste. Great, so that's the first part of it. All right, so let's go back to our children's ministry. Let's come and copy this as well. Click, right click and copy. Then we come here, click here and paste. Great. And this as well. Copy and paste. Great. All right, so now that we've copied, all we have to do is to change the title here. Now this is a new ministry called Sports Ministry, so we are just going to go change that to Sports Ministry. You can change this image right here by clicking it and come to your gallery. If you have already uploaded an image, fine. If you haven't yet uploaded any image, you can just upload a new image that you want to use for that part of it. I'm just going to leave it with the children. Let me see if there's anything sports related here. Okay, nothing sports related, so I'm just going to leave it the way it is. All right, so Sports Ministry, then change this as well. Sports leaders, sports executives, however you want to name that. Also, you can change these images. All right, you click on it, you come choose an image right here. Then I think that's all for now for this part of it. So this is the first part of it. We've now created our Sports Ministry page. All right, so let's go ahead and publish it. This is our Sports Ministry page. Let's go ahead and publish it. All right, then let's go back to our Ministries page. Okay, the main Ministries page. Now we've created a new ministry, which is Sports Ministry. Okay, but it's not here. If we reload, you realize that it's still not here. So what do? We need to add this something similar. 1 2 3, we'll add another one to represent the Sports Ministry. So to do that, we just go straight to edit with Elementor, like every other page. Edit with Elementor. All right, so our Ministries page is now open in our Elementor tab. So we'll now create a similar display box for our new ministry, which is our Sports Ministry. So here's what we are going to do. Just click here, all right, click here and click duplicate. All right, duplicate. Now it's going to create the same thing down here. All right, then we don't need 1 2 3, we only need 1, so we are just going to take away the rest. Now okay, you can just delete this and this as well. Right click and delete. We're going to change this down here to Sports Ministry content. It's Youth Ministry, so we're going to change it to Sports Ministry, right? All right, so it says our Youth Ministry, it's actually Sports, so you can make all the changes you want to it, whatever it is. Sports Ministry. Then we have that. Then you see, when you take a look, you also realize that this part of it is also it's kind of joined to the top, so we are going to give it some margin. All right, so let's click over here, come to advanced right here, and give it a top margin of just add a little, just okay, 70. That's fine, that's good enough space. All right, then we just update. Great. So after updating, this is back in my dashboard. Let's just try and visit the main Ministries page again and see how effects are taking place. We are not actually done though, but let's just take a look. Ministries. All right, so we have a new ministry right down here. Now if we click this, it's supposed to take us to the new Sports Ministry page that we just created. Okay, remember this is just holding the front part of it. Now when we click learn more, it's supposed to take us to this new Sports Ministry page that we created. Now To do that, we need to change the link here. That'll be the last thing, then we're done. So back in the Elementor editor, where we have this ministries page, we are just going to click here and we are going to make a change to the link. All right, so this is the link for the text. Okay, this button right here, when you click it, that's the link over here. When you click on this box or on this particular button, you may get something like this. Just go to content and then you find the button, link right here, button text, learn more. The link is right there. So what we are going to do is we are going to we're going to select all these and clear. Then we are going to look for our new page, which is what? Sports Ministry. Type it right here. You should be able to search it. Sports Ministry, right? Good. Then we click that. Then it automatically add the page. Then we just go to update. Then we're done. So we are done with creating a new ministry. This should be done in maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay. The tutorial took long, yes, but doing it by yourself, you should be able to do that in 2-3 minutes. All right, so let's refresh our main ministries page and try the link and see if we are fine with ministries. Sorry for the slowing time, guys. Sometimes it just happens. So let's try that. Okay. Sports Ministry. Let's see if it takes us to Sports Ministry. Ta-da! Yeah, here we are. So we're done with creating a new ministry. So this is all for creating a new ministry, guys. This is it. It's a bit tweaky, but I think it's good. It's all good. All right, so that should be all for this tutorial. Thank you, guys.